We'll guide you through how to enable or disable developer options on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. With developer options turned on, you're going to have access to different settings that you wouldn't if they were turned off. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. Make sure this is full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go miss an important part of this video. So without any other further ado, let's get started. What we need to do is go and head to your settings. So you can go and swipe up like so. Swipe across here until you find settings or go and search for them at the top. Then what you need to do is you need to go and scroll to the bottom. At the bottom, if developer options are already turned on and enabled, you'll go and see them below About Phone. If you don't, we can go and enable them now. If you wanted to go and disable them, we'll cover in a moment. But for now, let's go and press on About Phone. I'm just doing this as it goes and opens up a lot of different info. Now, what you need to do is you need to go and scroll down here. At the bottom, you'll see this list of options, and you need to go and find the option for software information, and you want to go and tap there. Now, you're going to go and start seeing some different information about the software. You need to go and find the option for build number, and then what you do is start tapping it. When you start tapping it, it's then going to say how many taps away you are from becoming a developer. So keep tapping it, and as you can see, it then goes and opens up the PIN, and you can go and enter in your PIN and press continue, and developer mode has now been enabled. So what we can do is we can go and press back again, and then scroll down, and you can then go and see developer options, and you can then tap on them and go and start accessing them. Scroll through and you can adjust the settings. There's a lot there. If you want to disable it, come in here and you can go and switch it off and press back, and they'll then go and be gone. And of course, you can go and enable them again. We showed you how that's done. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again.